igboticnonos, welcome to my channel. This is Learn Igbo on igboticnono, guys. See, I just came up to this video today to tell you guys my plan for the month of February. I just see it as being sensitive and very sensitive. Yeah, I just see it as being sensitive to inform you guys my next step before it begins, so that people who dearly trust me would not be disappointed when I started taking these steps. Okay. And I wouldn't forget to thank every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I'm very much grateful. Thank you for trusting and believing in me. I see some comments that gladdens me. Example, people that say, hey, I'm just coming across your channel for the first time. Where have you been? I'm so happy you were here. I've seen so much other comments that I'm very, very delightful and I'm grateful about. And yes, it just makes me a lot of being fulfilled. Okay. And yes, because of you all, because of individuals like this who often come to my channel to support me and see my videos very much, and also other random people. Okay, I just see it as being sensitive to tell you guys my next plan. Okay guys, let's just dive into it. So guys, if you're very dedicated to this my channel, if you have been following this my channel for a long while, or if you've been following this my channel for at least, I don't know, at least for a long while, let me just put it this way, you will know that I post video on this channel every blessed day, guys. I post video every blessed day, and I'm about to close that. Yes, from the month of February, from the 1st of February, I have to change. I'll start posting videos 3 times in a week, and that will reflect also on my YouTube banner where I post videos every blessed day. Yes guys, I've come to the end of that. Yes, why am I coming to the end of that? I just see it as yeah, I just see it as something I have to do for myself. Stop posting videos every day and start posting videos 3 times in a week. Yes, not just to have time for myself, but also I feel I have tested every angles of YouTube algorithm. Yes, almighty YouTube algorithm. I just feel I have tested every form of it. I've tested posting video every day for a very long time. I've tested posting various times. If you watch all these videos where they say the times you have to post videos to be able to, so that YouTube algorithm could favor you, the time to post videos so that people could watch your videos, the tags to use, and so on and so forth. I have tried all those. I've posted at various time consistently. I've posted videos every day on this channel consistently. I've delivered on this channel every day consistently. If you watch my channel, check when I started this channel and check how many videos I have delivered within this short period of time. I've posted nothing less than 180 something video. Do you know what it is? 180 something video, 180 something great quality, well edited content on this channel. Yes, I dedicatedly did all this. Yes, I have tried every hooks and corners of it, and I have come to find out, I've come to realize that YouTube algorithm favors who it wants to favor. There is no system to YouTube algorithm. There is no method to breaking YouTube algorithm. All those things are what we feel that we can do to help our channel hit that point where YouTube places you, and it takes a very, very massive long time before your channel starts going out of that particular place. The algorithm, put you aside. You have been off your channel for up to 8 months. That is when your channel will stop dropping out of that place YouTube algorithm has put you. Yes guys, so because of that, I just feel it's time for me to just start taking it slow. Maybe I post too much. Maybe I need to start posting 3 times in a week. Maybe that will just just, I don't know, I just want to just try it that way. Yes, I'll still be doing my videos. I'll still be delivering 3 times in a week, as I always deliver once every day on this channel. Previously, I'll still be delivering that way, but this time around 3 times in a week. See guys, let's just even talk about something. See guys, it's not even, this YouTube thing is not even being consistent. It's not even being, I don't even know the language to use, because I see all these things, all these motivators that are telling you blah 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 blah, do this. See guys, it's not even all about it. If I'm telling you from the raw and tested and trusted, it's not even all about it. Trust me guys. I teach language on this channel. I teach Igbo language on this channel, as you all may know. I have posted videos. I've posted videos even more than those that are doing YouTube, Igbo, that are teaching YouTube, Igbo on this YouTube platform. Yes, I know almost everybody is teaching YouTube Igbo on this YouTube, and I've subscribed to very few of them that don't even know I've subscribed to them. And I've seen that I post videos even more than they do. I checked their last time they post videos. Sometimes it's seen 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 3 weeks ago, you know. But each time these people I'm telling you post video, they still get substantial amount of views. That is because their channel, I believe, has been placed on that particular phase that algorithm puts you, and you start being favored randomly. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes, I'm trying to say that it's not even consistent that is going to help your channel to grow. It's not even being smart that will help your channel to grow. It's not even being all those things. It's just for you to keep doing the videos, keep delivering quality videos, and whenever YouTube algorithm favors you, then your channel will boom. Then people will see so many videos, lots of video to watch, and they will begin to subscribe. Do you understand? So just don't relent. Like, don't say you're not gonna start. You're not gonna continue posting videos, because I'm still gonna be posting videos. But this time around, I'm just gonna reduce the time I post videos. See, small YouTubers are very much underrated. Trust me, we are very much underrated. We put lots of work into our videos, especially those like me that do language video. When you do language video, you have two subtitles. Yes, you have to listen to your video very much, and you have to edit and use the subtitles so that people that are watching it will also understand what you're watching. That is even number one. Another point that is even on its own, you know, its side. I'm talking about generally both those doing language videos and those doing just normal videos. See, small YouTubers are very much underrated, and I don't know why YouTube is not pushing small YouTubers. I don't know why YouTube algorithm is not favoring small YouTubers as much. I don't know why. I don't just know why they're not doing it, because see, I know I am doing great content. I know people that are watching me. I know the comments I get from people when they come across my video for the first time. I know the messages they send to me when they get my videos for the first time. They're like, wow, so where have you been all this time? You know, I know people that, yeah, so I know I am delivering. I know I'm doing great content. I don't need anybody to even tell me what I'm actually delivering on this platform. So that is it, just it, guys. I just feel I owe some people explanation for not posting videos every day on this channel, because I know my consistent people that watch me, people that comment all the time, you know. Yes, I just want to tell them, see, I'm going to start posting 3 times in a week from the month of February. That is because nothing has happened, but I just felt, okay, fine, let me just start posting 3 times in a week. Maybe posting every day on this YouTube channel is too much for my subscribers. Yes, people are, I don't know, people are even subscribed to me, but when I post videos, I barely get 40 views. I don't know, they subscribe to me out of pity, but at the end of the day, they don't watch my video. So I barely get 40 views. What is 40 views is like getting like, it's like getting 2,000 views. I don't even get up to that. And when I check my YouTube and analytics, I see that people that now subscribe to my channel, that watch my videos, are more than people that subscribe to my channel. Do you understand? See, YouTube field is not for the weak. I keep saying that YouTube field is not for the weak. If you don't like creating content, if you don't like, you know, talking to the camera, you can't strive on this platform. Trust me, seriously, you can't strive on this platform. Yes, I said that because the growth is sometimes is not what you expect. Yes, but nevertheless, anybody that comes across me and tells me, hey, I want to open up YouTube channel, I'm the one person that will never discourage you. I always tell everybody, anybody, see, you can always open YouTube channel whatever you want to open, because my race and your race are in the same. You could come out and boom, one video like that, you have skyrocketed, and you've hit the sky. Do you understand me? So I never discourage anybody who wants to open up a YouTube channel because of the struggle or the difficulty in YouTube, you know, YouTube, you know, platform. So I never discourage anybody to do that. Anybody that comes to me for an advice to open up a YouTube channel, I always encourage them to open it up as well. So that is just it, guys. No much, you know, not much thing, no much stuff like that. You just to get you guys to know that this channel is going to be changing routine of posting videos every day on this platform to 3 times in a week from the month of February. Thank you guys for all your support. Keep watching my videos, my new subscribers, my old subscribers. We've just hit 500 subscribers. I'm very much excited about it. I know it took a very long time to hit these 500 subscribers, and we're looking over to the 600 subscribers, and hoping that YouTube is going to take my channel to people that really need my videos and just place it in that place. Because you see, hashtags, all those blah blah blah, they ain't even working a shit. I can tell you. See, I've tried everything on this channel, so I can tell you 100% what is right. I can even become a YouTube tutor because I know very much on this platform how it works already. Okay, thank you guys. And of course, if you're not subscribed to this channel, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is your girl igboticnono. On this channel, I teach Igbo language, Igbo vocabularies, phrases. Of course, on this channel you'll be able to use sentences and words in Igbo language. Okay, from time to time I bring in vlogs, but that is very rare. But I just do that just to make my subscribers a little bit relaxed, not to see my notifications and they're like, I'm not ready for classes today. So that is why sometimes I bring in vlogs from time to time. See, I've posted a lot of videos on this channel. If you watch my videos and imitate me when I say things, so that it synchronizes with synchronize with my lips when I say things, you will definitely start to speak Igbo. If you know that way you synchronize with TikTok videos, just do exactly that, and trust me, you will be perfect in this Igbo language speaking. And I'll leave you one message: don't be shy to learn your mother's tongue. Okay, learning your mother's tongue does not make you Igbotic. It does not make you timid. It does not make you loco. It does not make you less of yourself. You know, it doesn't make you all those things. Okay, rather it even adds to your global skills. Okay, and thank you, and I'll see you in my next video, which is next video, which is next month, 3 times in a week, I've said. And do have a lovely day. Bye.